Hey, everybody. This is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And if you are a kid from the 80s, you knew exactly when you hit the thumbnail what we were getting ourselves into. The Smurfs! Little diamonds, the Smurfs. And this is a brand new type of product SKU from Diamond Art Club. Fancy art kit DIY includes everything you need. This is a frameable. This character is Hefty. Do you remember Hefty from the Smurfs? Oh my goodness. He is adorable. He could pick up anything and everything. This is a 6x6 and it has the frame included. And look at the sparkle on this box. I could not get it any which way that would not pick up my lighting. The sparkle is phenomenal. Unleash your artist. Little diamonds, Diamond Art Club, all the funsies you would ever want. Look at that. Look at that. So cute how it works. This is adorable. Pick one up for yourself and for all your grandchildren and your children and teach them the love that we have for the Smurfs. And go check out because they are being released any moment now. Any moment now. There are at least 4 of them right now. So you are watching me open this. How adorable is that? Okay, that's everything that's in the box. Look at him. He's like, I'm hot stuff. I'm hot stuff. Okay, it comes with 6 different diamonds. We're going to check those out. Look, there's some bigger ones. You're going to cut along the dotted line, it looks like, to put it in our frame. It is poured glue. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. Here's your pasting area. 6x6. The Smurfs. How adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the thank you for your purchase. Come on, little diamond. Dun, 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 dun. Now, you don't need, I was going to say you don't need the stickers, but Diamond Art Club gives you the stickers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special drills and 1 normal drill. Look at that. We're going to look at those. Here's your start date, your end date. It is round. Here's your bonus sticker for Hefty. So adorable. Here's your frame. How beautiful is this frame? It is sealed, so you make sure you don't get any scratches on it. That is an extra touch. Right here, it looks like you can hang it, or you can set it up in your kids' room, in your room, up on your shelf, in your diamond painting area, next to your little Smurf figurines if you want. Let's look at the toolkit, and then we're going to look at the drills. So Diamond Art Club, just because it's a smaller kit, does not disappoint with their toolkit. You're going to get your normal fun toolkit with your pen. It's already got your putty included. It's got your 3-placer. It's got your putty for your 3-placer. It's got your 15 bags as listed here. It's got your 7-placer that you can replace your 3-placer with. It's got your wax in case you don't want the putty. And then here is your tray lid with your spout stopper. And these are stackable. So the more you get, the more you can stack and use. So we're going to put these aside because we're going to look at these drills If you do separate your drills from your canvas, it does say Hefty and it has the SKU number on it, so you can easily put them back together. Let's open these and see what's in store. So the drills are numbered. Instead of DMC, they are numbered by 1, 2, here we go, 1, 5, 4, 6, 2, and 3. They are numbered based on weight when they fill them up versus on numeric. So number 1 here is 166. Look at that. Yes, how beautiful are those? So special. I think the side of your box tells you, yes, there's 6 colors, included 3 iridescent diamonds. So you're going to get 3 iridescent diamonds. So those are the iridescent. How gorgeous are those? And then you're also going to get 3 of the fairy dust. So these are fairy dust. These are fairy dust. And then these are the normal color. But we got a little straggler in there. You wanted to go hang out in the party. There's another beautiful. Now these are a little bit bigger. They're still iridescent, but they are bigger. They're going to go in this area to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And then here's the large one. You can see there's a little stowaway in there. And here's your large number 3s that go right there. So how fun is that? So you're going to have your white fairy dust for his hat. You're going to have the black fairy dust as the outline. You're going to have the normal blue for his coloring. And then you're going to have the iridescent light blue for the 1, 2, and 3. And you also have the same, you can see here, you can separate. Oh, my brain is farting. Oh my gosh, did I say the word fart? I'm sorry. Right here, the perforated, the word perforated, there it is. You've got your perforated cover. If you want to do just a little bit at a time, you can rip off that area. So once you're done, you're going to cut around the lines and then you're going to put it into your frame. Whoops. Oh my goodness, earthquake. I gotcha. Okay, so let's see what the frame looks like. Open the frame up. So you're going to put it in here. So the frame has a plastic coating on it. So you're going to take the plastic coating off. So you get a nice, fresh plastic frame, because that's why it looks a little foggy right now, because there's a plastic coating on it. So you're going to cut that around the edges. You're going to put it in the frame. And then you're going to put the back on it. And then it's going to be able to stand up. It's going to be so pretty. Pretty. Look at how beautiful that is. And it looks like they gave you room in there. So if you see, because you're like, well, how's that? Oh gosh, I keep hitting the phone. How's that work? It looks like they gave lots of room in there for the diamonds that stand up. So that's really nice. Because here's where it's like almost a shadow box. So here they've thought of everything. So there's that little ridge in there. So you've got a lot of room in there. So your diamonds aren't going to get smashed. All right, guys. So there you go. Go out and grab yourself Hefty and a bunch of other Smurfs this week. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and enjoy your Smurfs from the 80s with a fresh new generational pop. Until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.